Indonesian citizens. My name is Angela Kiara Indira Siva and I am running for President of Indonesia. Today I am going to talk about the issue of coronavirus that have been happening. The reason why this is important is because it is very hard just for our health. To solve this problem, I will encourage all of you to protect yourself, to protect your family, and to protect all of the Indonesian citizens. Another issue facing Indonesia is the amount of pollution. The reason why this is important is because it can damage our lovely lungs and our cohesive country. To solve this problem, I will hold a transportation-free day every Friday and Saturday. I will hold a greenery event and I will make a new regulation to ban certain pollutant or pollution permits. Thank you, Indonesian citizens. Clap your hand and say it out loud. Kiara is the one who makes you proud. Vote for me, I am the right choice. Vote for me, I will be your voice. Thank you, Indonesian citizens. Bye.
Citizen of Indonesia. My name is Ethan Sean Christopher Sanjaya and I'm running for president in Indonesia in 2024. And I will make this country a better place. I'm here today to talk about family problems that are common in Indonesia. In Indonesia, there are still many families with low economies. Many families are poor and there are still many families who do not have jobs. Because the poverty rate in Indonesia is relatively high, it affects economic growth in Indonesia. Because many families are poor, they cannot get higher education. To overcome this, in the future, I will provide free school for poor families in remote areas throughout Indonesia. Another problem facing Indonesia is that the quality of education in Indonesia is still low. All of this is due to the lack of quality of education, especially in remote areas. To address this, I will improve the quality and strength of teaching, learning facilities, infrastructure to remote areas. More funds will be allocated for education and helping people in areas with a minimum compulsory 9 years education. Our children need education, our family needs jobs, and our country needs freedom. Thank you, audience. Indonesia needs to reject the politics of revenge, resistance, and retribution. I don't just speak the change, I make the change. Don't forget to vote me as president in 2024. God bless you.
Good morning, my people whom I love and respect. My name is Marvel Johansson and I am running for President of Indonesia. I want to discuss about basic education for our younger generation. They need to be independent. They need to be confident. They need to be think critically. So first basic foundation we need is from family and from educational institution. I will give scholarship to underprivileged students so all students can get the right to an education. And then I want to talk about our health during this COVID. It is important for us to boost our immunity very well. So our body needs vitamin and healthy food to avoid the virus. Our face must wear mask when we go outside to avoid the virus. Our hands need to be washed frequently to avoid the virus. Thank you for your attention. Work hard, work safe, work in God present. I believe we can through this situation. Feel free to choose me, Marvel Johansson, for the next period.